Ah, uh, okay guys, welcome to the JetJanix channel again and to the financial modeling course. Today we are going to develop and construct the statement of stockholders equity from the previous statement which we have developed in our previous videos. Okay, so far we have developed the balance sheet and income statement with some ratios of earning per share, dividend per share, book value per share and cash flow per share. If you haven't watched that videos, I think you won't be able to understand the today's lecture, so I recommend you to watch all the previous videos before coming here. Okay, so that you can have the basic of financial modeling and so that you can understand today's tutorial. In our today's video we are going to calculate to develop or construct the statement of stockholders equity, and if you can see here we have different data. Okay, first we will start with the balances of 31st December 2018, and then we will add the net income of 2019 and subtract the dividends paid in 2019, and finally we will have the balances at 31st December 2019 of the retained earning and the total equity along with the number of shares outstanding and the equity amount. Okay, so how are we going to calculate it? By just the number of share outstanding is equivalent to we will go and select the number of shares outstanding in 2018, and that is 55 million. Okay, so just press enter. Now you see we have the 55 million number of share outstanding, and the total equity or amount we have collected from these 55 million is in 2018. We can have this data in the balance sheet and in 2018. Okay, so go to the balance sheet and here you see the common stock 55 million shares. Sorry guys, by mistake I have wrote here 50 million. Of course it is wrong and I'm going to correct it. So just for your confusion, this is not 50 but 55 million. Okay, and the total amount in 2018, because if you can see the columns here, the data is for 2018 and here the 2019. The common stock amount is, or the total worth of the common stock is 132 million. Okay, so click here this one and press enter. Oh wait, I think I have, yes, I did something wrong. Let me go back to the, yes, here. Oh okay, this is I had selected and it came here. Okay, so the number of shares outstanding is 55 million and it worth 132 million of dollar. Okay, the retained earning in 2018, again we have to go and find it in the balance sheet under the 2018. Okay, so this is the income statement and this is the balance sheet. Okay, and here we have to find the retained earning. If we can find it here, yes, it's here. Okay, 723 million dollar of retained earning. So just click it and press enter. Okay, so now we have the retained earning at 31st December 2018, 723 million, and the total equity in 2018, again we have to go back to the balance sheet and we can find it there. Okay, so the total equity, total common equity, okay, is here in the 2018. You can see we have the 2018 and 19 data both. So this is the 2018, okay, in first column, and this is the total common equity. So select it and press enter. Okay, now we have the number of shares outstanding, the total amount, retained earning and total equity at the 31st December 2018. Now we have to add the net income to the retained earning and equity both. Okay, because it is the rights of the shareholder. So I'm going to select here the net income in 2019, and net income I can find in the income statement. Okay, so this is the income statement, and you see the 2019. I have to select this one. Okay, the net income of 2019 and press enter. And again here I have to add the income statement to the total equity as well. So again I will select the same net income from the income statement again for 2019 and press enter. Okay, and now here I'm going to subtract the dividend paid, and the dividend paid, I think that is the weight. Dividend paid in 2019 is somewhere here. Yes, it's here. Okay, common dividend paid, and if you can see, I will show you the years as well. So this is the 2019 and this is the common dividend. I'm going to select this one and press enter. Okay, and again here the same amount of dividend paid, and I'm going to select it from here. Okay, this one and press enter. But you know, in the in accounting, when we subtract any figure, we have to make it under the parenthesis. Okay, so if you can make it, because I have selected from the income statement and I have entered the cell address here, that's why the parenthesis I cannot put here. But if you want to make it good, or if you want to make it according to the accounting rules, then you are going to type it like this, parenthesis 55 and close it. Okay, and just put it like this. And this one you can do it the same way, start the parenthesis 55 and then close the parenthesis. Okay, so this is the way how you are going to do it. Now if you see, we can have the balance is 8 on the 31st December 2019, which is equivalent to 55. Again this one, because we haven't issued any additional shares to the general public, that's why the number of outstanding shares is equivalent to this one. And we haven't issued any stock, so the book value again is equivalent to this one. Okay, because there is no issuance of new common stock. And here the retained earning amount will change, of course. Sorry guys. Okay, so here I am going to calculate the retained earning, which is I have to add this one, because it was in the 2018, and I will plus this one, and then I am going to wait. Okay, sorry, then I'm going to subtract this one. Okay, and if I press this one, I have no, sorry guys, sorry, wait, I have done something wrong here. Wait, how I'm going to calculate it is something, wait, is equivalent to SUM. Wait, this is the sum, and let me do it, try it. Yes, very good, now it's okay, because the Excel, it understands this parenthesis, and the Excel can recognize that this is a negative amount. Okay, so automatically if you subtract all these three values, it will add these two and subtract this one from the summation of these two values. So the retained earning on December 31st 2019 is 911.4 million. Okay, and the total equity as on 31st December 2019 will be some you can add up the three values. Okay, so the total equity is equivalent to 1043.4 million. Okay, so this is how we can construct the statement of stockholders equity. Okay, and now we can very easily calculate the net cash flows. Okay, and in the net cash flows in 2018, we are just going to enter the net income, and the net income we can take from the income statement which we have constructed here. So here is the net income, just select it and press enter. Okay, and the depreciation. We have to add depreciation. Okay, so again in the net income we can find the depreciation amount, which is here 87. Just press enter. Okay, and now just sum it up, sum the both of the values, this one, and we will have the cash flow of this 2018. Okay guys, and now if you want to calculate it for the 2019, just select the net income for the 2019, which is here. Okay, this is the net income. Don't be confused in dates. Okay, this is the 2019 and select the net income, press enter, you see, and again select the depreciation for the 2019 from the income statement. You see the 2019 and this is the depreciation amount. Okay, just press enter, and now here just sum both of these values and you will have the cash flow of 2019, which is equivalent to, oh sorry guys, I calculated wrong somewhere here. Okay, and this one is also wrong. I have to calculate it here. Okay, equivalent to SUM, I mean sum both these values and press enter. Okay, so 341.4 million is your net cash flow of 2019 and 541 for the 2018. So this is the way how you are going to calculate the net cash flow. Okay, so far we have calculated the we have developed, sorry, not calculated, the statement of stockholders equity and the cash flows. I think it helps and you understood it. Now if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.